Good morning, Sonia, Fiorella, and Lien from anyhousecleaning.com. Today we are going to prepare to do a deep cleaning, trash removal in an apartment. So this is the reason why we came with this container. The garbage bin is downstairs. So I don't want to rack the bag, besides it's heavy. I don't want to damage the hallway carpet. So this is the reason why I bring the cart. So basically, we grab the bag and we put it inside the container. Easy to maneuver. No effort at all. I just need a big container. So I'm gonna start recording little by little. We are gonna start, Elian is gonna start in the master bedroom to pick it up the things that are on the floor. The clothes that are on the floor we assume is dirty, and we're gonna put it inside the trash, not trash bag, a bag, and we separate all the clothes from the garbage. Then Elian is reorganize and clean the bedroom, and then we bring our vacuum separator. The reason why we don't bring the regular vacuum is because we don't want, for our residential cleaning, use the same vacuum. So because this is a heavy duty job, we bring the Oreck, actually it's the Kirby, and we are using the motor of the Kirby. This motor of the vacuum because has a strong power of suction. And I bring the Oneida Deputy Dust Separator with a 2.5-inch hose and a big hose one. So this is how we are gonna vacuum everything from the carpet and from the floor. I ask the owner of the apartment to bring a trash bag because we are gonna need it a lot. This is the situation. Some bag has holes, so we won't want to drip any kind of liquid or any kind of garbage. So we have to put double bags. Sonia's doing the trash removal right now, and she's gonna put it inside the container. Okay, Sonia is checking everything that it can be trash. All the boxes are gonna be flat to minimize the garbage space. Aquí. So the first step is removing all the trash. So eliminating the trash is going to improve the odor. As soon as we remove all the trash, we're going to disinfect with the electrostatic sprayer. We have a lot of trash bags, so it's going to be easy to remove them. Now we are using the Vivtory Innovation electroestatic sprayer with a combination with the Vital Oxide. This is a disinfectant to disinfect all the areas and sanitizing, especially the bathrooms, the corners. You cannot see in this video, but this apartment has like 2 or 3 cats and 1 dog, and it was cat pee, dog poo, organic matter.
you know. And using the electrostatic sprayer give us more coverage, give us at least 360-degree coverage. The electrostatic sprayer is a technology that spray the particles of the disinfectant and wrap all the surface. So it's really good for areas hard to reach. It's a battery power sprayer, and we don't have to touch the surface, so it's a touchless application, so reduce the cross contamination and the risk for us to touching and disinfecting the areas. This is the reason. And this is all the garbage that we collect inside the dust separator. We put in the trash bag and then inside the container. It was a smart move to bring the big container. This trash container or laundry container has 4 wheels and is easy to maneuver. The apartment was in the second floor and Sonia was bringing the big container downstairs. This is a new apartment in Champions Gate, and this apartment offers the valet trash service. Is when someone is picking up the garbage from the outside of the apartment. The thing is that the big dumpster that is in the first floor, nobody can access. You can access the first floor trash apart where is the bin, and this is the reason why I don't want to grab the bag, go to the hallway, maybe drip some liquid and damage the hallway, because the hallway of this apartment is carpet. So the reason for bringing the container was easy use to transport the bags and don't damage the carpet from the apartment. This is one of the reasons why we offer a free in-home estimate. When I do the estimate, I have to check everything, where we are gonna throw out the garbage, how I'm gonna transport that. After we organize cleaning all the areas, we sanitize the carpet after vacuum and everything, and we are using the Oreck. We, besides sanitizing and cleaning, with the odorize also. And there was some stains that we were treated, just the stains. We didn't clean the whole carpet, but we sanitized with the Vital Oxide the carpets and refresh all the areas for the tenant. Well, this is Sonia Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. We appreciate that Eliane was helping us today, and we spent from 9 to 1, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. So we spent 4 hours, 3 people, to clean the whole apartment, remove all the trash, and you didn't see nothing in the video. It was a lot of mess on the floor, and I couldn't have enough time to record everything. But for the vinyl flooring, we used the vapor steamer. It came really good.